Is the point 2, 3, 1, 1 on the line 4, 3, negative 1, or negative 2, 3 plus r 2, 0, 1, negative 2? Okay, so we're asked about this point here, 2, 3, 1, 1, and we want to know, is it on the given line, which was 4, 3, negative 2, 3. I think it was a 2 and then a 0. 2, 0, 1, negative 2. So how can we check this? Well, we could just set up an equation and try and solve for a single value for r. I find it's a lot easier to express the line first in parametric form. So let's rewrite x1, x2, x3. We'll make it a bit more central. So x1, x2, x3, x4. And so the point here can become the constants in the expressions, and then the coordinate or components here become the coefficients of r. 2 r's, 0 r's, 1 r, and minus 2 r's. So there we've got parametric form. Now how can this help us? Well, if this point is on this line, then there is a single value for r that I can put into each one of these equations and make them equal their respective coordinates, 2, 3, 1, 1. So we replace the x1, x2, and x3 with 2, 3, 1, 1. And now we just go about trying to solve for r. And if we get the same r each time, then yes, this point is on the line. If not, if even just one r is different from the others, then the point is not on the line. So let's take a look at that first equation. 2 needs to be equal to 4 plus 2r. Subtract 4 from both sides. Divide by 2. We see r should probably be minus 1. The next equation, 3 equals 3, well, it doesn't matter what r is. This is always true. So nothing to do. We move on. Okay. The next one, we'll need 1 is negative 2 plus r. Bring the 2 over to the other side. We get 3 needs to be equal to r. Uh-oh. We have different values for r here. Because we've got different values for r, then we know this point is not on the line. If we'd gotten the same value, if we'd gotten negative 1 each time, then yeah, the point would have been on the line. We can just, for the people who wanted to, we can rearrange the last equation, bring the 3 over to the other side, divide by negative 2, and we'll get r is 1. So we have yet a different value for r. But you'll notice as soon as we had just 2 different ones, we were able to make our conclusion. It doesn't have to be all 3 values of r need to be different. Just 2 of them need to be different, and that's enough to make the point not on the given line.